Hey there, welcome to this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home located in a family-friendly neighborhood, just a short walk to the West Lincoln Community Center that includes a playground, it includes a skate park, a gymnasium, an arena, and so much more. My name is David Hildebrand of the Wayne Skillster team from Remax Escarpment, and welcome to 40 Northridge Drive, Smithville. Thanks so much for taking the tour today. If you're interested in finding out more information or booking a private viewing, please call or text me at 905-353-5149.